As you are aware, during the last one and a half month, lot of people have tried to enter Assam from Bangladesh. And as Honorable Chief Minister has regularly tweeted, most of them have been pushed back by the effort of Assam Police and BSF. Now, we had this in mind that is there a situation where some of these people may have come here. So we started in consultation with the District Commissioner and keeping the Honorable Chief Minister and the government fully in the picture, we started an exercise of making an assessment. Assessment made by the District Commissioner and the Guwahati Police Commissionerate was that this is the land which is defined as tribal land as demarcated in 1950 as per the Assam Land Regulations of 1886. So, District Commissioner gave this direction that these have to be evicted per law. Accordingly, for 7 days, lot of public announcements were made here about the violation of the land rules and land laws. Subsequently, on Monday, that is 9th of September, eviction drive was started by the District Commissioner and protection to the party was provided by the Guwahati City Police and police forces provided to them from outside.